Scooby-Doo, and I'd be Grave Digger. Deal?
Deal.
Okay. 3. No!
Well, I'm following you. They watching. Okay.
Come here, Scooby-Doo. Come
Okay,
look at
come
this
on.
mud. Let's put our ties in there. Oh no! Help! Great! Help me! Help me! I'm sinking. Help me! Help me!
Sinking?
No, don't. No, he gotta find something. He gotta call Soldier Fortune. He's busy working.
Okay, Soldier Fortune, come and help out Gravedigger. Gravedigger
No.
got stuck.
You gotta go get him. You always need to go get him.
Okay, drive him over.
No, get him.
Oh.
No, now I said Scooby-Doo. Not.
Oh, he gotta go get Soldier Fortune?
Yeah.
Go on, Scooby, go get him. Soldier Fortune, we gotta go and help.
What?
We need to help him. We need to help Gravedigger. He got stuck in the mud. Let's go.
What?
Follow me.
Okay, where is he? You got stuck in the mud too?
Come on, Gravedigger.
Ooh.
Gravedigger. Gravedigger.
I
you
can start
okay?
my engine because the engine says I'm out of gas.
You out of gas. Gravedigger, can you come on, get out of here.
You're out of gas. You're out of gas.
All right, I'm gonna help you out. Let's go.
No, I got it. You just gotta let me do it.
All right, you do it.
Oh, wait. Hook up.
Hook him up.
I got him right. He's tired. No, I don't need you. I don't need
You
you.
don't need my help.
No, I got it.
All right, let me get out of here. Let me go back in the back. Oh man, we got you out of there, Gravedigger.
Don't go no more, okay?
Don't go back in there again, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
I'm just gonna watch it.
All right.
Get out, guys. You're free to go. Yeah, let's go. Come on, Scooby-Doo. I wanna go watch the mud. What? No. Okay, yeah.